Hey you guys, it's your girl Zaya. Today I'm back with another banger video. Today I'm going to be telling y'all my Christmas list. And yeah, I want to go ahead and say Merry Christmas to everybody, even though Christmas is not till tomorrow. Today is Christmas Eve, y'all, and I hope y'all are having a fun time. Everybody's safe, you know what I'm saying? Before we get into the video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all go follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. It'll be on the screen. And I just want to let y'all know, disclaimer, I already know I might not get all of this. And I want to say my Christmas list is real short and simple. I didn't ask for all the expensive stuff everybody else be asking for. I didn't ask for no Gucci purse or no Yeezys, all that. My Christmas list was real short this year. Because we just moving and stuff. My mom, she already told me we weren't finna get a lot this year, like a couple of things. So yeah, I just want to let y'all know this is not gonna be no real expensive stuff. But yeah, we're finna go ahead and get to the video. Like I said, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. I told y'all I'm finna start posting. I'm finna get back into it because I'm like, why not? Okay. Yeah, y'all see my room. I just put my LED lights up yesterday. So I'm just like, come on now, I'm finna post again for my gang. Like, let's be for real. But this is my Christmas list, y'all. And like I say, it's real short. Well, it's short to me. Compared to other people's, they be having long lists, baby. I need a real short. Okay. So I'm gonna pop up. I might put pictures like on the side so y'all can see. The first thing that I want is some Crocs, y'all. I'm not even gonna do a category. I'm just gonna list everything that I want. And yeah, I want some Crocs. I want the black and the blue ones. I already got the white, red, and purple, but I had a black pair of Crocs, but I lost one of them. So yeah, I want another pair of black, and I do want some blue Crocs. I want the new pink iPad, y'all. When I tell y'all, everybody and their mama wants this iPad, like, I think I'm getting it, because I told my stepdad that I wanted it, and he was like, okay, well, if I do that, you can get that and some shoes. And I was like, okay, look, I don't even care. And honestly, I want the iPad because, like, it can help me with some phone storage, and also it can help me with my YouTubing. So that'll be good too. But I do want that pink iPad. Y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all want that iPad too, because baby, I'm excited. Like, next I want is some games for my PS4. So I want GTA and I want Call of Duty. So I don't really even play on my PlayStation for real, but I'm finna start playing with, because we just moved and it's been boxed up for like, I ain't gonna lie, like a good year and a half. I don't even be playing it for real because I ain't got no games, but I do want some new games. And I also want NBA 2K 2022, unless there's a 2023 coming. So I want some lip gloss, y'all. Oh, my phone. I be liking the ones from the beauty supply store. Maybe like $1.99, I think. Like, literally. I got some right here. Quit playing with me. Yeah. But I do want some more. Yeah. I want some gift cards. Like, you can honestly never go wrong with some gift cards. Like, let's be for real. I'll take a Visa one. I'll take one to a restaurant. I'll take one to a fast food. It can be anywhere. I just want a gift card. Like, come on now, you can never go wrong. Like, some people don't even know what to get others, and I'm just like, baby, give me a gift card and I can go buy myself. The next thing I want is a shoe stand. So all my shoes in my closet are like at the top rail. I don't want them up there. I want them at the floor. Because I don't want to keep getting no ladder just to try to grab no shoes. Nah, baby. I just want a nice little shoe stand off of Amazon or something. Next thing I want, y'all, is bracelets, necklaces, and purses, y'all. This can all be from Shein. I'll put some pictures right here, over here. I just want some bracelets because, like, I feel like my neck be looking a little too empty. Like, you know, I want some bracelets. I got some bracelets, but I don't have them on right now. And I want some purses, y'all. I got like 2 purses on this little doorknob behind me. But I want some more because I'm like, baby, I'm trying to style a little bit better. And I feel like I'm tired of just holding my wallet and my purse. I want to have something to hold my stuff, you know? Next thing I want, y'all, is a self-care product. So I want some facial wash. What's the brand I use? I put it up here on the screen so I can see. I use that brand. And it could be like anything. It could be some body scrub, some nice lotion, baby. I'll take any of that. Next thing I want is some Bath and Body Work body wash. Y'all, when I tell y'all, I love me some Bath and Body Work body wash or body gel. That's what they have it on their stuff, body gel. It smells so good. Well, it depends on which scent you get. Oh my gosh, like y'all gonna just give me that. I don't even need no lotion, no perfume from Bath and Body Works. Give me the body gel and I'm good to go. I'm good to go. Next thing I want is a bracelet holder. So I don't know, I be seeing it on Amazon or I be seeing it in people's like room. It's so cute. Like I can honestly put like my bracelets on there and it just looks so cute. And I can put it over here on my dresser because my dresser kind of looking empty over here. Like all I got is trophies and perfume over there. It needs something else. And y'all, I just want to let y'all know I do plan on doing a room tour for you guys once I get my room all the way together. I want to do a room tour for y'all, but right now it's kind of giving empty, so we're not gonna do one yet, even though y'all can see like half the room. I'm waiting on that. Next thing I want is shoes. Y'all, I should have been done said this. I want the Jordan Retro 4s. I want Dunks. I just want the Pandas. I mean, I can get another color, but the black and white will always just, it will always do the trick. It will always do the trick. And then I want the black or brown Uggs. So I already got the black Uggs because we just went to the mall like 2 weeks ago to go get them. But I do want the brown ones. Yeah, I want both colors. Quit playing with me. I do want some shoes. Like I got a bunch of shoes in here, but like I want more. You know, I want to have like a shoe collection, which my mom already said I got plenty of shoes. I'm like, girl, I really don't, but okay. Next thing I want is some clothes. I want clothes off of Shein. It can be Fashion Over. It can be from Nike. Like I just want some clothes. I don't even care. Like my mom just told me she's just gonna give me money because she know I'm picky with clothes. So I was like, yeah. That'd be great, cause I'm finna do. I'm probably end up doing a Shein haul, maybe like 2 or 3 weeks, cause you know how Shein be. You know they be taking a minute to deliver their stuff. So yeah, I want a brown bust down wig, 20 to 24 inches, baby. But I know I'm not getting it because my mom said I can either get a wig or I can get my hair done, and I chose to get my hair done. Yeah, y'all see it, y'all see the edges. Yeah, y'all see the edges. Yeah, okay, okay. The next thing is golf ball slides. Everybody and their mama want these, y'all. Everybody and their mom want these golf ball slides. But I want the black and I want the tan ones. They're so cute. Even though I've been hearing some bad reviews, they be hurting your feet and they uncomfortable. And I'm like, hold on, baby. But I've been seeing some people buy them off of Shein, some people buy them off of Amazon, some people buy them off of AliExpress. So I don't know. And the next thing I want is a ring light. So I'm using a ring light right now, but I want a bigger one because I done had this one for a minute and it got like this little piece where it's supposed to hold my phone. Like I broke that piece like a year or two ago, but I do want a bigger one. The one that like stands up high, like maybe bright in my face. But this ring light right now is doing a trick. Like y'all can, like, do not play with us. Do not play with us. The last thing but not least, hold on. Y'all, I want is some candles, y'all. I feel like it would really be nice or make my room smell good, which I do. You know, I be putting Febreze and stuff. Is I want some candles. It can be from Bath and Body Works. It can be from anywhere. I just want some candles, y'all. And the last thing but not least is I want some lashes. Like last year, for last Christmas, I got so many lashes. I was like, dang. But one thing about me is like once I take them off, I lose them. So I have to open up a new pack every time because I always lose my lashes. Like I can never keep up with my lashes. So those ran out quick, too quick. So yeah, that's all I really wanted for Christmas, y'all. Like I said, my stuff was real light. I didn't ask for too much, I don't think. But y'all let me know in the comments. Y'all let me know one thing that y'all really want for Christmas this year. But I just want to say Merry Christmas to y'all. And I just want to say I should have a video out in the next 2 or 3 days. Just depends on how fast I edit. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy y'all day, y'all weekend, and I can't wait to see y'all in my next video. And y'all, we're on the road to 300 subscribers, so make sure I hit that subscribe button. And when we get to 500, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. It can be a gift card, it can be some money. I'm still trying to think about it. Make sure y'all type hashtag #ZyBaby so y'all can get a shout out in my next video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.